Let's go, guys, for a 1 week hackathon. This is how the bag is tightly packed. There's no enough space to put anything else, and I have to also put the laptop over here. 3 more pairs apart from what I'm wearing because in train you don't need much to change, and only the formals for the hackathon presentation, and then the 2 days to explore Lonavala. So that is it. We are going to Kottayam railway station. Cab is going to come at 11:45. Remaining we will discuss once we get to Kottayam railway station. So here we are, guys, in Hotel Arya's. Came to eat lunch. It's 1:14 right now. We have train at 1:50. Kottayam railway station. What we are doing, guys, to pass the time playing Uno, and Chetan win not the prize. Sorry, second place. He's still playing. Bro, show me your cards. What are you? Oh my God.
Yash was going to do that.
Okay, let's go. Let's see what happens right now. I got Uno completed.
इसको stick किया था मैंने.
No, you put 5 right. Now you made me win.
Oh, okay.
It's coming. Yeah.
I did come back now.
Yeah, bro. You did come back. Thank you, bro. You did come back for me. So the game is becoming intense, guys.
Pass.
Nobody is able to, put a card. Everybody are taking the cards. Crazy shit. What is happening? Color change, guys. Green. Okay, fine, good.
Let's change the color, bro. Blue.
No, he saw your cards, sir. He's laughing. He saw your cards, bro. Wow. See? What, bro? What did you? You made 2 people Uno. Uno. Say Uno.
One.
Okay.
Almost already done.
Okay. Uno is only for the last but one card. Okay.
So Yash also won after Yash come back.
Oh wow, bro. Very good, bro. Third prize, bro. Third place. Yeah, between Devam and Raunak it's intense, guys. We have to see who wins. Who is fighting for the last place? Tell me. Whoa. Oh, Devam is very easy. Devam is very happy. Okay. Not bad.
Something cooking.
Arre!
Oh!
Ah, shit, man. Okay. It's crazy right now.
But even you can't do anything, no?
Yeah. What the hell is going on, guys? Oh my God, bro. Oh my God. Is this capturing in the video, guys? Uno. Bro, those many cards he had and he came to Uno and you laughed at him, bro. Come on, guys. Don't get, excited too fast. Don't celebrate too fast.
Bro, still hope is there.
Yeah. Hope is always there. Oh shit. Uno. Jeet gaya. Ah, shit. One. Why did you throw one? Out of many cards, you only throw one. Oh shit. So finally, Devam got excited, celebrated too fast. Okay, guys, this is the situation of Uno. What the? He saw my card, bro. I am in Uno, guys. +4. Let's go to Chetan. Bro, Chetan, please put +4, bro. So, guys, this is the moment of mine. Okay, guys.
I can't play.
Uno won.
Wait, bro.
What? Wait.
Wait, bro.
Uno won. I already won.
You won. So what? I am safe.
Okay, that is fine, but I won.
Oh, plus 8.
Oh shit, sorry, bro, Chetan. I should have played that 4. But anyway, I won. I am determined to my goal. We got our food in Coimbatore. Paneer fried rice, guys. This is the best part traveling in train. Till now we have played Uno and now we are eating together. How many cards you have? You may be thinking that these are 2 persons cards, but these are also mine. You already won the game. You're just holding my cards. bro. I have to process. Shoot the camera.
Have you seen F1 movie?
No, bro. Chetan is doing some tricks here, guys. With the and he lost in his own tricks. Late night coding and trying, guys. Oh my god, bro. Late night coding. Back in. Secret to a long and happy life is saying, guys. I am saying the psychology of money by Morgan Housel. Calculating the trip budget, I think. Actually, ordering food is the secret and long life secret. Instead of studying this book, I think we have to order food. So it's 11 o'clock in the morning, guys. Right now, we are about to order our lunch. I just woke up 10 minutes back. 11 more hours is left, I think. Felt like a very big journey because we are traveling with our friends. That's the best part. Most of the journey is in sleep, eating and playing. Some part where we are doing our project at night. This is the last station in Karnataka, Kalaburagi, and the next station we are going to enter Maharashtra, guys. And in this we have ordered puri masala in the middle of this cards game. Only if I have put this much of effort and permutation and combination of JEE mains, I would have achieved a lot of things, right? Guys, we are all back to work again for the project number 1, laptop number 2, laptop number 3, 4, there it is 5. See the grinding, the hard work of us, right? Yeah. Crazy. You can see the OTP here itself, right now. The night before the hackathon, guys, 7:43. Oh my god, he's doing the lab which is not even related to this. I think he completed all his part and now chilling. Now we are doing our part of the job. Yes, she's working on messaging part. What are you working on, bro? Nothing. Here we are, guys, in Pune railway station. Finally, after 33 hours of train journey, but didn't feel like it because that is the advantage of traveling with friends. So, how is the journey, guys? Did it super? Huh? Super. Did it feel like 33 hours to you?
No, bro.
That's the thing, guys. At first, we thought it's very hard and long journey, but fine. Is this also the first time for you in Pune, guys?
Yes, sir.
Let's go. For both of us, this is the first time in Pune, guys. And Yash is already from Maharashtra and Raunak is also, so they already know what's happening over here. It's 10:20 right now, guys. Yeah, here is the Hotel Madhav. All these guys in a panel sitting here to interview me, guys. Can I sit panel?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, okay.
Tell me your introduction. Give me your introduction.
Hello, guys. My name is Harsha.
What I have weak points?
What are my weak points? I don't have any weak points.
Where do you see yourself in the next 5 years?
Not in your position at least.
What are your questions?
Go your position. Whatever.
Nice, bro.
Excellent, man. Let's go. I think 2 spoons are not needed for
Even if we try to take this spoon.
How is it, bro? Very good. How is it, bro? Super, amazing, crazy. I have ordered dry fruit lassi, guys. Amazing. But this is what our situation, guys. Taking an auto, 5 people. How the hell are we going to fit in a single auto?
खुद का भी अपना निकला ना भाई कभी सब देखो लेडीज मिलते हैं अरे वो लड़के लोग
पर और एक बार.
आएगी मेरे साथ जाएगी बाजू वाले के साथ
Okay.
वो भी पढ़ने लिखने के लिए इधर आई वो एंजॉय करने के लिए आई
Previous room, the person sleeping. That's why we asked for a new room. And here we are, got a room just for 5 of us. But I think it's the ladies' room. No issues. Talk in the room. We follow no drugs policy, please. Guys, no drugs, guys. It's very dangerous, okay? Let's go. The room is good. We have the AC. Let's go. Bathroom में light के बिना कैसे? क्या हो गया होता है bathroom में? Bro, this is the first time I am seeing a bathtub in a hotel. Wow, look at that amazing legendary preparation for the bed, guys, of Raunak. So guys, we are in this room having bunk beds over here, but it's very difficult for me to climb up to the top. I'm afraid that I'm going to fall off. Let's go! Success! Finally did it, guys! Subscribe so that I can get down safely. Good morning, guys! After eating dinner at Madhav restaurant, traveling 33 hours, came to hostel 1. All of our friends at night thought that we will sleep for just 1-2 hours and wake up at 2 or 3 and complete the remaining project, but sleeping and just woke up. When did you wake up, bro? Just now. Come on. 1 hour back. You, bro? 7 a.m. Debam also 7 a.m. I think, right? 5 a.m. What were you doing, bro? Without waking up, everyone, what the hell, bro? He's lying, I think. Because we didn't wake up at that time, he's just lying that he woke up early. So that is the thing. After traveling and eating good food, coming from a 33 hours train journey, this is what happens. We think that we had rest and we are okay to do the work. But you also take enough rest and sleep, guys. Breakfast here in the hostel as a complimentary only, right? Or should we pay for it? We got them first. What the hell?
কোড ব্লক যেটা একটা নির্দিষ্ট কাজ সম্পন্ন করার জন্য
C++, guys. C++. We are here at Phoenix Market City Mall, guys. It's looking great. Is it one of the biggest malls? We have started our journey to explore the Phoenix Market Mall. We thought of buying few clothes, formal clothes. Ended up buying 3-4 shoes, trousers, formal shirts. Combined, I think it happened around 30 to 40,000 of shopping inside the lifestyle. A budget-friendly thing. We have. So do we have money to go back, bro? From Lonavala? Yeah. We have. Bro, look what happened over here in ATM. In local train going to Lonavala, guys, completely packed, but not as bad as my Varkala vlog of general compartment. We didn't drink a single drop of water from morning, right? We woke up and then gone to mall. Then that's it, we are here, no water, no lunch as well. So here we are, guys, finally got down from the train in Lonavala station. Currently we are in platform number 3. Yes, how's the journey, man?
Great, man. You can add my friend, bro.
Yeah, so we got Likith over here, the friend of Yash. Pune station only, right?
No, Shivaji Nagar.
Shivaji Nagar. This train is starting from Pune itself only.
Yes.
But how did you board this?
It's inside the Pune. Shivaji Nagar. The next stop.
Going to station platform number 1. So I'll show you once we get there in the platform number 1. Vande Bharat is coming right after we came to the platform number 1. So this is the exit and entrance of Lonavala railway station, guys. We have finally reached Lonavala. So they told us to go sit in a bus, guys, so that volunteers would guide us. So guys, we are finally in the bus, man. Let's go. Raunak, come on, man. Siagad Public School. I mean, the bus we are in is Siagad Public School, not the other thing. Schools, everything is there in here. We'll experience Of course, bro. I'll hold it. I'm strong. I can do it. Guys, we are going to hostel right now that they are providing us to stay for these 2 days. Sorry. So this is the room that we were allotted in SIT, guys. Look at this. We have got the ID cards for each, and so they are ID card holders. So we got ID cards for each and every team member. We'll also be getting the. This is a room is a bit smelly right now and a bit dusty as well. I have to accept that. Washrooms are fine, at least. And, this is the thing, man. Have to do a lot of things right now. Have to eat dinner. Very tired. Tomorrow 11 o'clock. Hackathon is going to start. So they have mistaken the team name as Team Chiru, guys. Let's go, and they have tagged it out. Actual name Team Atlas. Let's go Team Chiru. Is it sounding good, bro? Have settled down in the room, guys. The room is fine, not very good. It's a bit rusty, dusty, smelly. Now heading to have dinner in the mess. We need to have they have provided us ID cards, so ID cards needs to be carried, and also the coupons that they have given for the food coupons. That also we are having a jamming session over here, guys. Shubham is more excited than it. Here we are, guys.
Start. Okay, start.
We are trying Pani Puri in SIT, guys.
How's it?
Very cold. But the taste is good. Sandwich is good, bro. Oh, Raunak, yeah. How's the experience of you waiting for the mess over here?
So cold, chilly. Too tired? Too tired. I just want to sleep. My legs are paining.
Finally, we are inside mess, guys. Guys, I am feeling this mess food is a bit better than our college. Roti is fine. The curry is also good. How about you, Raunak?
Better than our college mess.
Huh?
Better than our college mess.
Yeah. So finally, after how many hours of waiting are we able to enter into the mess, bro?
After 1.5 hours.
After 1.5 hours of waiting, not knowing what is happening and no information from the organizers, but anyway they finally let us into the mess. We have waited a few minutes in the line, and the mess food is good. Rajma, kesar, rice, roti, which are mixed veg curry, which are a bit better. All these are roti and mixed veg rajma are a bit better than what we used to get in our college, and remaining all is fine. The mess is not that good. Hostels are also not that good, which they have provided to us. Nice, bro.
I didn't got Rajma in Rajma.
Bro, you should be taking that. It's on the bottom of the container. You have
I
to.
didn't go. I thought it is below in that.
Okay. Men are brave, guys. Men are brave. It's 22 degrees right now, early in the morning, 8 o'clock. Still feeling like early in the morning. I am shivering right now. The geyser is not working inside the washroom. What can I say, man? Have to get ready, have to be there in the college before 9. But they told us to be assembled in the rooms. So then the hackathon will start at 11, I think, approximately. I'm shivering right now, but anyway, this is also a physical hackathon along with a mental hackathon. So let's go.